એસવીઆઈટી વાસદમાં સિવિલ એન્જિનિયરિંગ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ દ્વારા ઓનલાઈન પ્રોજેક્ટ એક્ઝિબિશન યોજાયું હતું. એસવીઆઈટી વાસદના સિવિલ એન્જિનિયરિંગ વિભાગ દ્વારા સર્વપ્રથમ વખત 12-13 જૂન દરમિયાન ઓનલાઈન પ્રોજેક્ટ એક્ઝિબિશન યોજવામાં આવ્યું હતું. આ એક્ઝિબિશનમાં સિવિલ એન્જિનિયરિંગના છેલ્લા વર્ષના વિદ્યાર્થીઓની 18 જેટલી ટીમે વર્ષ દરમિયાન કરેલા વિવિધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલિસ્ટ પ્રોજેક્ટ્સ રજૂ કર્યા હતા, જેમાં મુખ્યત્વે સ્માર્ટ સિટી ઇન્ટરલિંકિંગ ઓફ રિવર્સ, ઇકો ફ્રેન્ડલી કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન મટીરિયલ્સ, લો કોસ્ટ હાઉસિંગ, અર્થક્વેક રેસિડન્સ સ્ટ્રક્ચર્સ વગેરેનો સમાવેશ કરવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
Good morning. My name is Trivedi Yashraj. I am from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Technology, Vasad. My final year project is about how to improve a seismic performance of a structure, in which we mainly concentrated on an instant, how to improve a seismic performance of an instant, which is guided by Dr. D.P. Soni. So conventionally in instant they use a column and a tie beam at a bottom portion, but that is the most vulnerable part during the earthquake. So we remove that part and use a circular shaft, which is better against a seismic load. We also connect it at a bottom with a circular grillage foundation, which is also economical compared to conventional method. So using this we can improve a seismic performance of an instant. That's all about my project. Thank you.
સિવિલ એન્જિનિયરિંગ અભ્યાસ સાથે જોડાયેલા દેશભરના અનેક વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ગૂગલ મીટ ઓનલાઈનના માધ્યમથી આ એક્ઝિબિશનની વર્ચ્યુઅલ વિઝિટ કરી હતી. સમગ્ર એક્ઝિબિશનની સમીક્ષા ડોક્ટર પ્રણવકુમાર ભાંગોનકર દ્વારા કરવામાં આવી હતી અને પ્રથમ 3 શ્રેષ્ઠ પ્રોજેક્ટ નક્કી કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા, જેમાં પ્રથમ ક્રમે ડિઝાઇન એન્ડ એનાલિસિસ ઓફ સ્વિંગ બ્રિજ, દ્વિતીય ક્રમે ઇમ્પ્રુવિંગ સિસ્મિક પરફોર્મન્સ ઓફ સ્ટ્રક્ચર્સ અને ત્રીજા ક્રમે ઇન્ટરલિંકિંગ ઓફ રિવર્સ યુઝિંગ QGIS સોફ્ટવેર રહ્યા હતા. આ ત્રણેય ટીમને તેમના ઉત્કૃષ્ટ પ્રદર્શન માટે ઈ પ્રમાણપત્ર એનાયત કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Shah and I am studying in SVIT Vasad. My project title is Design and Analysis of Swing Bridge, guided by Dr. Jignesh Shammi and Professor Sahil Hussaini. Our study deals with the basic concepts and steps involved in design and analysis of a swing bridge. As the infrastructure is increasing day by day in the world, evolution of new structures make life easier. There are a large number of rotating and movable bridges used worldwide in the field of bridge construction. While swing bridge can be a better alternative from the point of view of safety as well as economy. Railways is one of the biggest modes of transportation for the citizens of India. There is still an issue with boarding any train of Indian Railways, that is, the insufficiency of proper information regarding the platform of arrival in advance. Thousands of people cross each other at the station. At times, situations such as missing the train due to lack of time, carrying luggage from one platform to another platform makes it difficult. The only option is taking the overhead footbridges and walking to the end of platform to cross railway track. The issue with senior citizens and handicapped people crossing the platform gets worse with the overhead passenger bridges. Chances of accidents increases and one may even lose his or her life as they try to cross through the railway track. Hence, we have come up with a solution of avoiding such things by designing the swing bridge at the platform level for ease to elders and a swift crowd management. Multiple swing bridges will be created, working at low maintenance, helping people to cross the platforms. Our study is based at the Vadodara railway station, located in Gujarat, India. Also, I would like to give a glimpse of my prototype.
લોકડાઉન દરમિયાન ટેકનોલોજીનો શ્રેષ્ઠતમ ઉપયોગ કરવા બદલ એસવીઆઈટી વાસદના અધ્યક્ષ ભાસ્કરભાઈ પટેલ, સેક્રેટરી ભાવેશભાઈ પટેલ, ઉપાધ્યક્ષ દીપકભાઈ પટેલ, આચાર્ય ડોક્ટર SD ટોલીવાલ અને સમસ્ત એસવીઆઈટી પરિવાર તરફથી આયોજક અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓને શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવવામાં આવી હતી.
Hello, I am Soham Patel from SVIT Vasad Civil Department 8th Sem. Our project topic is exploring the scope of interlinking of rivers. In this project we try to interlink the river Tapi, Narmada and Karjan with the help of QGIS software and Google Earth Pro. By QGIS software we can get the contours of different regions, and from the help of Google Earth Pro we can get the beautiful experience of mapping in the digital way. QGIS software provides us a contours of a different region, and it is helpful for construction of different kind of projects, canals, roads and bridges. From this kind of softwares and some government official websites like Bhuvan, we come to know that the construction of canal between these rivers is not possible on ground. So we propose an underground canal between these rivers. So let's see the purpose and benefits of the project. First point is we can fulfill the need of water supply in the industrial and domestic regions. Second one, that we can it is helpful in the situation like flood and drought. There is no construction above the ground, so it is not necessary to get the land from the different people, and it is not necessary of land acquisition. There is no construction on ground, so there is no need for maintenance on the ground, and each canal is less than 10 kilometers, so we can maintain the canal underground by help of manhole. The total length of canal is 63.14 kilometer, and the total cost of the project is around 16 crore. So it is very economical with compared to on ground canal construction. On behalf of my team, Mehak Lad, Nandini Mathukia, Sapna Dalwadi and Vrushali Barot, I want to convey you a message that stay home, stay safe in the corona pandemic. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Pranav Bandholkar from Vadodara, Gujarat. I have completed my PhD in civil engineering. With the teaching experience of more than 13 years, I have come across various student projects at UG and PG level. Today, I am very thankful to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Technology, SVIT Vasat, to invite me to judge online UG Final Year Civil Engineering Project Exhibition. Today, I could find very interesting and innovative students' projects presented by various groups of SVIT. Students have worked on many fields of civil engineering like structure, transportation, water resources, irrigation, project management, reuse of building materials, and many more. I am really impressed by the hard work and dedication of the students for completing their projects. I strongly believe that the students are highly benefited by the knowledge and the unending guidance of faculty members of SVIT. Today, at this platform, I wish to explore 3 best projects which I have come across today in this exhibition. The first innovative project was regarding design and analysis of swing bridge. The design proposed by the team members was really innovative and useful to connect 2 platforms of railway station. This design is really useful to the old age people who all are really facing common problems while accessing from one platform to another platform. Another interesting project which I could find today was regarding improving seismic performance of the structure. This team has presented innovative design, I would say safe design of elevated tank to resist seismic loads. This design is really helpful to high risk seismic zones of India. One more project which was really interesting and innovative was regarding interlinking of Narmada and Tapi of Gujarat state. I believe that the solution proposed by this team may be useful in future to transfer surplus water from water surplus area to water scarce area, and many stakeholders will be benefited too. With this word, my best wishes to students, faculty members and SVIT organization. Thank you.